What up, guys? It's String Death here. Today I'm with Mr. Ceiling Fan Guy.
What's up? Subscribe to my channel.
That's right.
Mr. Ceiling Fan Guy, exact.
We're going to the woods today. This is time. I'm finally made part 2. We know you can't go forward. We're going to do the fence all the way back. We found a new route though yesterday. Is that right?
Yeah,
Ceiling Fan Guy.
sure did.
A lot easier route from last video. I haven't gone. I just tumbled down, get a lot of thorns too.
I saw the bunny right here.
Did you?
What's important? We got out.
You know, last time we should made a video about shooting these blast things. We already did it, did we? We should made a. Where did it all go on? Hey, Herbie's feather.
Yeah.
That's like Herbie's feather right there.
Show it to the video.
Here it is. Can you see it? There's Herbie's feather right there. But that's like, I don't know if African gray or a different one. I don't know what it is. Our bird like African gray.
Since it's close to nighttime, we might be able to come across some more frogs.
Hey, you want to shoot them, don't you? But just how you don't have
No,
your
I don't even have a beep gun.
I know you should bring this survive this time, but you didn't think it through.
I do have my knife, but I'm not gonna be that.
Yeah, I know. I know there's a lot higher. I don't know.
I gotta carry this bottle of water. I don't want to litter it more than it is already.
Yeah, we're going this way. If I
can
can
make any difference, but like, I'm not.
every piece of shrapnel's in here.
You can't flip the camera while you're filming?
Nope.
No?
I'm trying to pause it, I can, but I don't think I can. Alright. We're going this way. My phone is thinking like doing like this thing all the time. I guess my phone is heavier, yeah. Yeah. Which way
You kind of had an advantage against me. The woods is
taller than me?
really tall. I'm almost just about 6 foot.
And I'm guessing.
You're only like, what,
We're both
5'8"?
17 years old, so how do they make? I know you're a lot older than me, but
Oh, it's just got something to do with the genes.
probably. Jeans.
Genes. Yeah.
Oh, never mind. Okay. This thing's up nerves.
I don't see
Face.
the frogs quite yet, but I really want to run across some.
And you want to stab one, don't you? Do you? But
They're a bunch of
crickets.
stuff.
But be careful because during night I didn't think during night to be spotted. You broke it. You broke it.
Trying to give a tree an ornament.
Yeah, you're working really, aren't you? See this way.
Not really working out.
I don't know if it's the camera over now. Cause I want you to see. I want you to see that way. Cause last video I picked my camera my way. So I want to put the video here. I'm at it and.
Yeah, go ahead.
Are you? What?
Little
Outlet?
plug-in 3-outlet adapter. I wonder if it still works.
You want to try to get the house?
I'll just keep it with me for now.
Yeah, I figured I did.
It looks good condition. It just looks like someone took a bunch of their stuff and just dumped it.
They did. That's what they did when the house was burned down. There's all of this from that house.
Sleeping.
All this stuff around here.
Make any difference.
Sure. All of this stuff we have here, it's same place where that house came from. And a tall spotter. Which way we came here? I know we came this way. I know we. A lot better than been done over there. Yeah, nice. Come handy, actually. Oh, that's shooting.
That's the same tree I kicked down.
But what's
Show
it?
them the tree that I kicked down.
What's it?
This one right here. I kicked it down with my bare foot. Not bare foot.
I don't know what you're talking about. This tree cut chopped down.
Yeah, it's kind of like a war zone. It's just a day. It's just 2 days shy of 4th of July right now.
Yeah, I know.
It's currently Thursday, and 4th of July is on Saturday. So it's gonna sound like a war zone up until in the 4th of July.
Let's go this way. Yay! Tree there.
That one just completely fell apart.
Yeah, but remember there's a thorn here. Tyler, thorn.
I see that.
I don't think there's any around here though. Well, fruit ninja. Let's go.
More like plastic.
Sure. That side of the sword is a knife. some more trees to cut down, boy. If I
More trees to kick down. All right, gotcha. It's gonna spring back up eventually.
I know. Trouble.
The roots are still attached, so it's gonna spring back up.
Yeah.
It's gonna heal itself.
We're way off here. We never been this way before, did we?
Oh yeah, we were way off. A little too far over.
Shoot. Spy web. Don't need that. Over here. Over here. No. Over here. It's okay I say your name, but I've been telling your name twice. The second time you said that, your name.
Huh?
I say your name twice already. Out loud. Your real name, how you, what do you call it?
Oh, my viewers already know my real name. I said it in my live streams.
I got a stick in my leg.
And sometimes we do Facebook chats and they call me by my real name, so
Alright.
it's just my YouTube known name.
Okay, let's go.
Call me by my real name, so I guess respectful.
Okay. I mean, I was making sure I was regret doing that.
Tree got me really good. I ran through a spiderweb too. Oh, boy.
That was that black thing just down.
Sounds like a fire.
I know, right? But yeah. I don't know, I don't know, are you're working at 5, you're working, right? Why did you leave it there? Yeah, if we have a machete, we'll have to work a lot better. You know what I mean? It fell. Jinx, you owe me.
Really clean knife.
You owe me a salt. You ready? Continue.
Just more for the set of trees over there.
You're gonna hit me with it, aren't you?
Yeah,
Where are we going
I
at?
want it to ricochet and hit you.
Yeah, we going this way. Oh, don't go here.
Rather not fix it. Oh gosh, we are going way farther over than we did.
Yeah, this is a new route. I didn't think this through. Yeah, we've never been this way.
Yeah.
Usually you're over there. Came here.
There's all the road over there.
Yeah.
We were coming close to some of this
What house is talking about?
There's a house just ahead of us a little bit.
Oh, I see it now. Oh, I remember we go way over there. Over there, that tree over there. I keep seeing the right. Yeah, we like way over there, like a tree over there.
Well, you want to go over there?
That basketball was right. That wasn't the basketball. So we're way off. We're way off. So where goes that basketball? I don't know. I don't get the snake this time.
We're continuing it, I guess.
Well, it's in my street. It's in my street. Thank you. I know we can do that base basketball, but how do we get there to that basketball? How can we, let's go this way. This way over here, color. Way.
You lead way, you know these woods better than I do.
Sometimes. I haven't been here lately.
So say I decided to follow you through these woods a few times already.
True, because I know the most elite way. Because I know where snakes. Yeah, that's what I was talking.
That's what you were talking
Yeah, in that
about. I was wondering what you were talking about there. And there's that
tree.
dead tree that fell over.
Yeah, I don't remember.
Quite possibly during a windstorm.
Probably. I don't know when, but I don't know. I think if I was back here the first time I made a video about it, I should know about it by now. So that's what you gotta talk about. Where we go is more tall grass. And it's right, there's snakes around.
There's a house over there.
You already know. We've been to this far anyway. The same house we've been to. When we went this way, this house right close that was. Most of us are nice. It's a lot. Like, then this rain come. What is this fence at? Like literally. Oh, I see it. I work close right there. Right.
Oh, I see it.
Right over here.
Yeah, there's the fence line right there.
During nighttime, I won't hope my fear about this tall grass right now is snakes. If I never went this far. I at least then now there will be snakes around, just like tall grass with the rain. You know, the rain may pull it up higher. So I don't. Should we go farther ahead, or just turn back now? Can we turn back now or what? I don't feel like it's about fun. I think it'd be about like Tommy did. Tommy got about one of my friends got. You know what I'll tell you when we get this video. But yeah, he made it. He made it too. The snake didn't win. But going back.
The fence line is right there. Let's go back further this way.
Oh, okay, I never been that way, but okay.
Looks like a fence line kind of curve and.
Yeah, yeah. I hope I don't spot a snake.
It looks like we won't even be able to go any further than that.
Yeah, but I'm afraid to hit a snake. I don't know if I think my own, but I don't hit by like plenty of snake or anywhere. I don't know what he's. Should we keep going that way? Alright, we have to go. Well, you can go that way, I guess. Should we go that way? Well, I'm afraid there'll be snakes over there. Like all around.
You have a bad feeling about it?
Yeah, I can see all this tall grass. You can even see it.
Perfect place for snakes. Come on, let's go.
Yeah, come back.
Let's go to a different route.
All these tall leaves and crap.
Yeah.
You know,
perfect thing for snakes to hide in.
Plus a grass snake. I don't think it's poisonous. Grass snake be poisonous?
I've seen one before.
Yeah, I've seen before as well, and guess what happened? Remember Louie, our Mimo dog? Remember that little chihuahua? Like just like Davy, but like Davy? I don't think you remember her, but that's how one of that Firehouse Woods, she stepped on the green snake. It didn't flinch. It just keeps slipping away. Our little dog actually literally stepped on the green snake and didn't even flinch. Like ever. Going this way anyway, so. Yeah, I'd be careful. Me neither. I'm trying to figure a way to get back. Without going, I'm uncomfortable with at nighttime. Oh, I know where we're at. Let's go this way. I know where we're at now. There's less grass over here now. Alright, if we make us through this way, we should be fine. You can get through? Or are you struggling? Look at that. He's struggling.
No, I'm just busting right through.
I know. We're almost there. Yeah, I know, right? We've never been over there. We've never been over there, Paul. We've never been over there, but I'm not down that. I'm sweating my butt off. Are you sweating?
A little bit.
Well, I don't know why. Mine is so bad. I know, right? But I'm afraid of snakes there. Okay, there's a spider there.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, I see it. You ran right into it, too.
Yeah. Let's back up. Oh, this is hanging, isn't it?
Oh. It's a big spider. It's got very short legs. It's like a jumping.
Yeah, I snore it. Probably.
Let that bigger legs so they get more power.
Yeah. I don't know.
Yeah.
I might add a song background to this.
Not long. Not long before this video was filmed, about a week ago or something, we were out here shooting glass a week ago.
Yeah, we were. That went down for this video. Yeah, when next we come over, we can make a video of that again.
Yeah. With all this
That's from that house over there.
Oh, there's 2 tires.
Yeah. But there's stuff thrown
One of
in.
them doesn't have a frame, another one does.
Yeah, I know. All this trash. It's over our house we live in now. There was mold everywhere. Everywhere.
You know where all this stuff came from?
The house over there. That's we live in. This all came from.
Y'all just tossed it all back here?
No, we didn't. They did. Well, somebody. We didn't.
No.
People, our house, whatever color he is, they call him. And other people actually, they were like, you know what? There was roaches and mold in the walls, like all this
I'm
junk.
gonna throw this at a tree. Let's see what it does.
Okay, they're not doing it yet. Okay. Go ahead.
Oh man. You see another one somewhere? I want to go
Here we go.
Well,
Didn't work out. Didn't work out. That's about it.
it's a really strong glass.
Yeah.
Really strong different.
Second one.
Let's find one we haven't shot yet.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna bust it against the tree.
They're like a lot over here. We huge.
A lot of them over here we've already shot.
Not all of them.
Well, a lot of them.
Yeah.
Oh, here we go. This right here hadn't been shot yet.
Yeah. I think
I need to find a tree. Let's go find a tree. Let's see what it
Show the can to the camera over here. Show the beer in the can. See this beer bottle? We're gonna break that thing.
goes. It didn't hurt.
Hope so.
Wow.
Did it break?
It didn't. I'm afraid of it ricocheting and hitting us.
Yeah. Don't worry about it. I guess that's done. I think after the more
I really want to bust the beer bottle right now.
this last can, after you go ahead and edit the video, I think that's long.
Let's go find a different one. Oh yeah, here we go. Well, that one's already busted. This is gonna be busted. Oh my god, how many did we bust?
A lot.
Oh, here we go. Oh, I'm stepping on it. Yep, that one hadn't been shot yet.
Alright, show it.
Oh. It's definitely got some stuff going on in there.
Just break it, or just something.
Let's go. Whoa.
Me too.
It's got dirt in there. Maybe that'll help it shatter.
Hopefully. I did not do it yet. Alright, go ahead. You totally missed.
Totally missed it. I need a thicker tree to throw it against. Well, as we're trying to back up, let's find another bottle.
Went the opposite way, but the last time.
I don't know about you, but I feel like rattlesnake. Hissing or something.
Let's get moving. Okay, that's enough for today then. The tree, just take the tree out there. Did you break it?
No, I missed it again. What is my aiming right now?
Just use a broken glass.
There we go. Let's hope it doesn't have ants all over it.
And do not do it yet. Do not do it yet. Alright, go ahead. Well,
Well, it broke.
you heard it.
I think.
Check it. Try find another broken glass one.
Something came down from the trees.
Yeah, let's go. Let's get this now. I'm gonna where I think we're done. Let's. What's that time?
Yep. It's gonna happen.
Well, I turned my camera around, but okay. Well, it's fine. You heard it. But I think that's it for today.
That's the sound I wanted to hear from the glass that time.
Yeah, I think we got things. Back off. Got it.
Once again, go subscribe to my channel and everything. It's exactly Mr. Ceiling Fan Guy put it in. And either of them go subscribe. I show a lot of interesting tips on ceiling fans. I used to live stream, but I can't anymore for some reason.
Because the app is not working on YouTube. I guess they blocked
The
it.
app blocked me from live streaming. I don't know why.
I mean, I can see watch me
I
anyway.
think YouTube had an error.
Probably, yeah. But we probably will go back. Probably if you go about 2K or something like that, you might live on YouTube inside the app.
I think it's stopping small YouTubers from going live.
I don't know why that, but if I don't know, because all the coronavirus changed like it's 2020, so you know what I mean. It's 2020 though.
2020 ended up to be a pretty disgusting year.
Yeah, it did. We couldn't find a frog yet, did we?
I'm still looking for one.
No, so look.
I found one while I was mowing yesterday.
Did you?
I mean, while I was mowing today.
Yeah.
I was over there next to that lamppost.
Yeah. I think that's it for today. I'll probably next time we'll do part 3 to kind of go a lot deeper.
Well, we've already gone as deep as we could.
Yeah, but different routes.
Yeah, there's multiple different ways we can go down there.
That's what. Yeah.
We've gone farther over. We've gone all over the place.
Yeah. I think I'll end it here. I'll be safe. I'll record a lot to go away in 2020 to ruin everything too. And I'll wish you later.